Good morning, guys and gals. What are we gonna do this morning? We had rain last night, heavy rain, but we have a couple of things we need to work on. I'm gonna show you what we're doing. One thing is this Honda here. We got this original worn winch that I guess the gears are stripped. When you try to retract it with any kind of force, it just goes, doesn't do anything. So that's one thing we gotta do to it. Let's see what we got in the box here. This is the replacement winch right here. I bought this on Amazon. I think I'm not even sure. 200 maybe? I'm not even 100% sure. It's definitely not a worn winch because they're pretty expensive, but we're gonna give this a shot. You get all the, my goodness, look at the massive amount of control on here. You get all this. I have this originally, so I don't know if I'll use it, but because it comes with a wireless remote, I'm pretty sure that's hooked to this. So I don't know. We might use it, but I'm not 100% sure. Because the setup is already on. All I gotta do is just install and replace. Got brackets. Looks like they dropped this about, I don't know, a couple of feet on the ground, or let's see, hopefully it's not broken. No, seems to be okay. And I got tired of those little that's like a billet aluminum. Those little winches that don't pull. So have a look at this baby. It's 4,500 pounds. So that should be able to lift that whole quad right off the ground, no problem. So right now, if I wanted to hook this in, I don't know if the bolt pattern is the same. Hopefully it is. And we just plug and play 2 wires, and mine would work as it is. We still got all this extra hardware. But like I said, if I do just a straight plug and play, we don't need any of this. But this could be handy, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know how, I don't know if I really need that, because I have a thumb control already, so I probably won't use that. But anyways, this is what we're going to be doing today. The main thing is get this on. We're going to start taking these things apart. We got to take the rack off first. Couple bolts. Now, I think we already lost one on the other side. Oh, that one's a little bit bigger. Should be 4 bolts. That's the rack. Next, we'll take this off. The skid pan. What? Gotta get the right size. Obviously not that size. Okay, let me find some more. That's the skid plate. We're gonna need a bolt here, one on each side. Needs a bit of straightening up anyway. Now, we can get all the bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got to replace the bolt on here anyway, so maybe we'll take that off while we're at it. I'm just going to take this little roller off of here. Next. Now, just this like attached to this? I don't even know. I think we're just gonna probably a 13. Not a 12. Right there. 4 bolts. Now I remember there's bolts in the back of the winch. Now we're just gonna disconnect these here. Oh, what? Not 12? Oh, we can make it work. And if you put these on wrong, I'll just make, instead of when you push your button to go out, it might go in. So just reverse them. They're not like it's not a huge deal. Not gonna burn anything out. Let's say that. Now we got the 4 bolts out. We got the 2 wires off. Should just come right out. I don't know what side it comes out. I don't even know if the other one's gonna fit in there. We'll have to measure. This one is the gears or something that's gone in it. Okay, let's see how they line up. So we got the other one in here. And of course, me being me, I don't measure, I just buy. So we'll see if that's even gonna fit in that hole. Hopefully it does. So we can see it is bigger here. This is bigger, but hopefully this is the same. If this is the same, we're all golden. I think they are. They're probably all generic. I hope. I could measure this. Actually, is this a kit here? Hold on. Yeah, look at this. This is a bracket that came with it. So let's just see. That mounts on there if you need it. If you need it. Yep, same thing. So we're good. Slide in. Now let's just see if we can put it back in. Sometimes it's tricky to line up these bolts. They move around, but I think these will be. Oh, they could be okay. I hope. I hope it fits. I think it will. Yeah, I think it's going to fit.
Both can move around a bit. To get a screwdriver or something. I also see that CD boot there is busted, so I'm going to have to order one of those.
To see what's out and what's in.
I'll disconnect the battery because this should not have power unless the switch is engaged, so there's no power. You put them figure tight till we can figure out. I guess it is what it is. Let's see what a 4,500 pound winch can do on this little 1,000 pound.
Hey, Noe. Get the cat to come and help. Hey, Noe, cat. I need some help. Hey? Can you help us? Hey? Hey, Noe. Noe. Nelly cat. What are you doing, Noe? Yeah. Can you fix it? What do you see? Hey. Yeah. Noe cat. Hey, Noe the cat. Hi, Noe the cat. Look at all the mud on my four-wheeler. Yeah. Hi, Noe the cat. You're all full of dust. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what it does. I'd say take all the rollers out because I know you can see it's pretty bent up. Like, look at this. We'll straighten it all out. It'll be good as new. Got this all greased up. Now we're just gonna put some more bolts to hold this on. You. Good, good. See how long that rope lasts somebody like me? Not sure. Still gotta assemble the rest, but let's just see what's out and what's in. Out, in. Perfect. Now we just reassemble some things. One on that side, one on this side. Two number 10s here. Finally got that in. It was a chore to get these bolts all in because this has been banged and smashed and rolled and yeah. And it works. Not too sure how long that rope will last, but I guess we'll find out. Hey, we got the winch installed. See how strong it is. Just a quick release. That was pretty good. Not sure what the total capacity is for this cable. have it. That's how you install a winch. And yeah, piece of cake if it's already installed.